Guys, in this video I'm going to be showing you guys how I was able to get funded this 2024. And if you follow the step-by-step process that I'm going to give you in this video, you could also be the next funded trader in 2025. Firstly, you have to prove to yourself that you're able to make profits in the space of 2 to 3 months consistently. Like you're able to generate profits from any account at all, demo account, real account, or even any account at all. If you're able to generate profit of about 10% in the space of 2 to 3 months, this means that you have a high chance of actually getting funded with profit. So this is the first step. The second step you are going to be taking is you have to determine the risks you are going to be using throughout this challenge. Let's say you are in the phase one. You have to determine, okay, in the phase one I'm going to be using 1% risk per trade. So you know that when you lose 10 trades in a row, you have blown the account. So you guys, firstly, you need to know how many trades you can lose in a row. So how you know this is through your back testing. You will know how many trades you can lose in a row and how your style of trading works, if it's an aggressive style of trading or a conservative style of trading. After you have known this, you'll be able to determine the percentage of risk you are going to be using per trade. Then the third step is actually how you manage your trade. Maybe you'll be utilizing the partial taking of profit, like you take partials when your trades are running, or you'll be able to move your stop loss alongside the trade. Let's say when the market breaks structure to the upside, has a pullback, breaks structure to the upside again, you can actually take your stop loss just under the low to protect your position, something like that. So if you are going to be utilizing trailing stop loss, or you're going to be taking partials, or you're just going to be setting break even. So these are the three style I recommend you use, because these style are very effective and they can make you money. This is the third step. Then the fourth step is also manage your psychology. You don't want to be closing your trades you don't want to be closing your trades prematurely, like your trade are still running and you are closing them, or your trade is about to hit stop loss, you are closing it before you hit stop loss. You never know, because I've been in a situation whereby I actually wanted to close a trade because it was almost hitting my stop loss. Then I ignored the trade, I just left. Then about 5 hours later, I found out that the trade has hit my TP, and I was like, this thing was literally about 2 pips away from my stop loss, but the price was able to reverse back to my take profit. So guys, just set your risk. Your risk is your risk. Once you have determined your risk, you don't need to be shifting your stop loss or trying to close your trade prematurely. Allow your trade to run. Just follow your trade management, whereby you can utilize your trailing stop loss, or you set break even, or you do TP or stop loss. Depends on how you feel, or how your mind, how your psychology is. So that's the fourth step. And also the fifth step I'm going to be telling you is when you actually get funded. When you actually get funded, what you have to do is that you have to look for a very good setup. Your first trade should be a very good setup, because you don't want to be taking losses in your first trade. In the funded stage, your first trade should be at least 80% guarantee that it could hit your take profit. So what you're going to do is that you're going to look for your A+ setup. You make sure you manage those trades properly. And if you eventually make profit about, let me say, 3-4% or even 2%, lock your profits and wait for payouts. That's the best advice I can give anybody. Wait for your payout. Then after you get your payout, get your refund, you can actually start trading the accounts more, and you can actually reinvest your money into more challenges. That's how to grow, and that's how I also plan to do it in 2025. So guys, see you in my next video. Peace out.